What's up, Peaches? It's me, Peachy Queen here, and I'm back with another video. And in today's video, I'm going to show you guys my new Vlogmas intro. Now, I know I'm super duper late to post my first Vlogmas vlog, I guess, but it's because I've been pretty busy with school. Believe me, I barely had any time to film this, but today I did, so now I get to show you guys. Before this video starts, make sure to give it a big giant thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe down below, make sure to share this video, and without further ado, let's get on with this video. By the way, on the Peach Fam's channel, my mom and I also filmed a Vlogmas intro, and we have some other Vlogmas videos out right now, so make sure to go check our channel out. And now let's cue my intro. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a big giant thumbs up. Comment down below if you liked my new intro. Subscribe down below. Share this video. And do not forget to check out my Instagram at official_PeachyQueen. And I'll see you guys next time. Love y'all. Bye.
We wish you a Merry Christmas.